Gildan Media presents Your Coach in a Box, affordable, life-changing audio programs.
Gildan Audio presents an unabridged recording of A Cancer in the Family. Take Control of Your Genetic Inheritance by Theo Ross, MD, PhD. Narrated by Marguerite Gavin. To my family, I owe a huge debt of gratitude for the inspiration provided by Grammy, Grumpy, Uncle Jack, and Bee. I know that my use of their stories to help others understand their own family's story and live longer, healthier lives would have made them happy. And to Sean, the family member who read the chapters with critical care and endorsed them with, "Other than Sports Illustrated, this is the only literature that made me cry." Author's note. To protect the patient's privacy, I have changed the names of most patients and their families. I have also changed identifying details when necessary. Forward. By Siddhartha Mukherjee, MD, PhD. Author of The Emperor of All Maladies. Theo Ross's extraordinary book on cancer genetics is an important contribution to the field. Allow me to introduce it with some historical background. Since the late 1970s, researchers have identified several genes that are implicated in cancer. In virtually all these cases, mutations in genes contribute to the abnormal physiology of growth that ultimately unleashes the cancerous transformation of a normal cell. Many of these mutations are acquired during our lifetimes, but notably, some of these mutations are inherited in families. The identification of heritable cancer-causing mutations has raised several quandaries that particularly haunt men and women with family histories of cancer. How many of these genes do we know? And how many remain unknown? What is the precise nature of risk associated with any one such gene? What tests or strategies can we deploy to reduce that risk? What if we carry a known cancer risk in our families and yet do not know the gene involved in carrying the risk? And will we be able to test for such genes in ourselves or our children in the future? Ross is especially qualified as a guide to these questions because of her extensive experience in the area as a physician, scientist, and cancer researcher. She completed
Sample complete. Ready to continue?